Hello YouTube viewers, welcome to my show Computer Wednesday. Today we're gonna take a look at portable computers or laptops, specifically how to buy them. Why do you want to buy a laptop? There are very simple reasons for that. First, it's all in one. So basically everything you see, monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, all in one. And it's portable, you can carry it around. And it is powerful enough nowadays for almost every task. However, price to performance ratio is still not that good. However, it's powerful enough. If you have enough money, you can buy a laptop that can almost practically replace your desktop in terms of computation power. It's just gonna be 2 to 3 times more expensive. So suffice to say, as of now, laptops are becoming quite useful. Now, there are main factors when you are buying laptop. These two laptops I'm showing you are at the extreme end. So basically, there are scale. From one end of the scale, you have portability, basically very light, thin and light, ultra weight, ultra light, these sort of thing. And on the other end, you have performance. Basically, they will use desktop CPU, full desktop grade graphics card, like SLI have actually two graphics card, and all those things have 120 hertz display. And so there are factors, and you can't have it all. Basically, let's say you want a desktop replacement laptop. Basically, you are tired of your desktop and you have to move around, and you're like, okay, I'm gonna buy a desktop replacement. You will be more towards this end. And let's say all you want to do is watch YouTube videos, do light browsing, and you don't actually need to work on it. You will come more towards this side, basically ultra light. Nowadays they can even come with a battery life of 8 to 9 hours. This on the other hand can barely give you 20 minutes. And some laptop, what they do is disable dedicated graphics card, and you by that method they can give you around 2 to 3 hours. So there's a compromise. So you have to know where you are. Like, do you need portability or do you need more performance? That's up to you. This is the first thing you have to decide. And let's say you made up your mind and you're like, okay, I'm gonna buy a performance based laptop. So there are these many brands, as you can see: Lenovo, Asus, HP, LG, Dell. So how do you make a decision among these? Well, very simple. All these things affect its affordability, because same configuration in HP is one cost versus on Dell. Second, availability. Let's say in your country or in your district, Lenovo is just does not have any stores where you're gonna buy them. And reliability. Now this is a very crucial part. Laptops are quite expensive device. Even a cheap laptop is quite expensive, and given the fact that many people use it as a primary means of communication and job sometimes, you really want to make sure you have reliability. Now, if you put all these three things, you can easily narrow down your search. After that, we come to pay attention to the fine print. Now, this is very crucial for laptop, and you have to understand that all laptops may not include on-site warranty. What does that mean? Let's say you bought your laptop in a metro city. You went into your small city for some job, and your laptop broke down. You call them and they are like, no sir, you have to bring your laptop to our service center. That's not on-site. So please make sure whether you have on-site warranty or not, or do they even allow you to buy on-site warranty? Because sometimes Alienware, because their laptops are so expensive, they will remove these sort of features, and they will ask you, if you pay us this amount of money, we'll give you on-site warranty, or we'll give you a 24-hour warranty. Basically, they don't care. They will try to send you a mechanic as quickly as possible. And can you buy extra warranties? Like, generally laptops come with only 12 months of warranty. Dell allows you to buy extra warranty. LG also allows you, in even Asus. So these sort of thing tells you how confident the company that made it is at the product. And you really don't want to buy a laptop every 2-3 years. Like, it's not smartphones. So please invest in these sort of things, and this will give you a peace of mind. And some manufacturer, including Dell and Alienware, they also cover a lot of damage. Basically, their premium that you have to pay, one-time payment for the warranty, may also include water damage. So basically, let's say you were carrying your laptop and it started raining and laptop got, so they will take care of it. Not like, of course, if you drowned your laptop, they're gonna be like, dude, that's, you have to be within reason. However, these sort of thing, please pay attention to it. Very crucial thing. Now we come to ports. Now these are quite easily most neglected part, and this will become your big hassle if you want to upgrade your things. Now a laptop nowadays comes with a lot of things inside it, so there are few components that you can use or upgrade. First is RAM, as you can see. Now be mindful, not every laptop actually has 2 slots, some have 1. So please check for, specifically if it's designed for portable or it's too cheap. So please be mindful of that. And if let's say you find there is only 1 slot, make sure you upgrade it right away, as in like buy a upgraded one, because those laptop memories are not cheap on the open market. And then you have to find what kind of hard drive it accepts, like and then this is a very crucial part. If you are dealing with laptops, sometimes laptop manufacturers will say, okay, this Asus laptop comes with SSD, however when you buy in your region the SSD was not there. This could happen. That's why please pay attention to this sort of ports and things like that, and these are very fine print detail. You have to like dive into it to figure out. So you can also have a M.2 port basically, but again, even if it has a M.2 port, you have to make sure whether it's a SATA port or NVMe. Basically NVMe is better, just go with it. NVMe basically allows, you know, higher throughput, and sometimes you can find a laptop that in this slot they will give you Intel Optane module. Now it is a SSD, yes, but it will not store any data. All it is a cache memory. So more laptop you use, the faster it gets, because it's storing all the cache memory. However, it's not SSD, so please be mindful of these things. So do you have M.2 SATA port? Do you have NVMe or NVMe port, yes or no? Do you have normal hard drive port, which are generally removed from ultra thin laptops? So be mindful of these sort of things. And ports, generally people kind of neglect it. However, it's quite important, especially if you want to do something with it. Let's say you only got USB 2.0 port and you are like me, you are doing videography. You want to upload your memory card quickly to your laptop. However, the card slots that are generally built in, it's USB 2.0 most of the time, not all, but most of the time. So you want to buy, okay, I'm gonna buy a USB 3.0 reader. Here's the deal, your laptop did not have port for it, or there was a port that you already used for something else. So in this sort of scenario, you can understand, you will be frustrated. So please pay attention to these sort of things. So this was my presentation to help you guide and how to make a decision about purchasing a laptop. I hope you liked my presentation. If you liked it or learned from it, in that case, please like. If you didn't, dislike. Leave a comment and please subscribe. I make video every day. And as always, thanks for watching.